G'day guys, how you going? Once again, welcome back. In this one guys, I'm going to show you how to respool your synthetic rope onto your winch spool the proper way, and also I'm going to show you how to clean it and get all the mud out of it. So we're going to clean this rope and get it looking from that to this, guys. Alright guys, so nice bit of soapy water in a bucket, not too much soap guys, just a little bit I used, nice and warm. And what we've got to do is push the synthetic rope together to get the mud out inside the water. So this is actually a clean part of the rope, as you can see, but down further, just down there, is a worse part of the rope. As you can see, it's pretty bad down there. So it's just mud, it's not grease, it's, you know, just mud. So all we do is put about, I say, 3 foot of it inside the bucket, and we start. So I suggest you sort of make yourself comfortable guys, because it's going to take at least 45 minutes to an hour. I mean, it depends if you want a break. So like I said before, about 3 foot in the bucket. As you can see, I've done some there. I gave it a little bit of a soak before I started. Like I said guys, just give it a bit of a soak and make sure you're opening that synthetic rope up just like this. And you can see all the mud's falling out. And it's the water's already pretty filthy guys. So nice and easy, you're just doing that inside the bucket. And like I said, it's a bit of a process, but check this water out already, it's pretty filthy. Look at that. So yeah, it does take a little bit of time ladies and gents, but I'm telling you now, it's well worth it. What we're going to do as well is I'm going to dry this rope off soon and show you how to respool it properly as well. Just check out how dirty it is there and how clean it is after I've done it. So I reckon I used about maybe 4 or 5 buckets of water guys. As you can see, it gets pretty dirty pretty quickly. Now this is the first bucket, so the second and third and fourth was real bad. Just check that out. So if you're a little bit impatient like myself sometimes ladies and gents, I respooled the whole synthetic rope back onto the spool, and as you can see it's all wringing out through my hand. It's like tough doing the job, rather than the sun take a couple of days. So that's what I did, and then I ripped it all back out and we dried the rest off in the sun. Okay ladies and gents, so I did an extra bit of maintenance on this winch and replaced the solenoid in this box. Now I could have fixed it, but there was a couple of problems with it that was seized, so I spent about 75 bucks and brought a new one and repaired it. Also we had a loose connection in this. Now I did have a wireless connector on this once upon a time, and I dropped it in a river, so unfortunately for me I'm stuck with that. Now I did put all conduit on all the wiring as well, which keeps it nice and neat and wearing out and actually starting a fire. So right now guys, I've got the winch set up to like the local tree and it's ready to be respooled into the winch. Let's go. Okay guys, so for who don't know this part of the black bit of the synthetic rope is the end of your winch rope. So the only thing holding it on in there is a little nut. Now I'm going to winch that bit nice and loosely on the spool, not too tight, just by hand, and then we're going to re-tension it up with the car as under load. Okay guys, you can see now it's got some tension. I'm going to have to start the vehicle and we're going to leave it in neutral and just pull it up so it's nice and tight on the spool. So the last couple of feet guys, it's alright to spool up in by hand and the job's done. Once again guys, it brings this one to an end. I appreciate every single one of you who's watching the channel and supporting it. Don't forget guys, if you're spooling winches and things like that, PPE is safety first. You know this, right? You don't want to come unstuck, especially with like a cable winch or something like that. You know, catastrophic things can happen. Okay ladies and gents, again trying to get this channel to like 1,000 subscribers. We're getting there, just to make a tiny bit of extra cash on top so I can keep these trips coming for you and all the content. Also ladies and gents, a Patreon account will be on the way with different types of perks, for some members and all sorts of behind the scenes stuff like that. Also merch, ladies and gents, I'm working on that as well, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Your support is very much appreciated, and we'll see you in the next one.